Starting a business is full of exciting milestones, but the moment you sit down to make your business legal, momentum often hits a wall. You open LegalZoom to form your LLC, only to be confronted with a choice between basic, pro, and premium packages. Prices range from $0 plus state filing fees all the way up to hundreds of dollars, packed with dense legal jargon, free trials, and optional add-ons. The central question every founder asks is simple: which LegalZoom package do I actually need, and am I throwing away precious startup capital on features I will never use? The underlying problem for most new entrepreneurs is clarity. When you are launching a brand, every dollar matters. You need to keep costs tight, but you are also terrified of making a legal mistake, missing a crucial filing step, or leaving your personal assets unprotected. LegalZoom leverages this natural anxiety by structuring their packages in a way that makes higher tiers feel like a safety net. However, if you do not understand what each tier provides and what you can easily do yourself, you risk paying hundreds of dollars for simple administrative tasks that take 15 minutes to complete. Let us dismantle the fear by breaking down what actually happens in each package. The basic package costs $0 in service fees. You only pay your state's required filing fee, which goes directly to your local Secretary of State office. Under this package, LegalZoom conducts a business name availability search, prepares your articles of organization, and submits the legal paperwork to your state government. For a brand new, budget-conscious entrepreneur, this covers the essential legal requirement to bring your business entity into existence. The main catch with the basic package is what it leaves out: it does not include an operating agreement, an employer identification number, or registered agent service. That brings us to the Pro package, priced at $249 plus state filing fees. The Pro package takes everything in the basic tier and adds a customizable operating agreement, assistance with obtaining your federal tax ID or EIN from the IRS, access to a library of legal document templates, and a 30-day trial of LegalZoom's attorney advice plan. At first glance, Pro feels like the complete all-in-one setup that saves you time. But here is where you need to look closer before pulling out your credit card. An employer identification number is issued by the Internal Revenue Service online for free. You can go directly to the official IRS website, fill out a short online form, and receive your official EIN instantly without paying a dime. Charging for EIN registration is essentially an convenience fee for filling out a simple form on your behalf. Regarding the operating agreement, while it is a critical internal document that outlines ownership structures and operating rules, and is often required by banks to open a business checking account, you can find high-quality, state-specific operating agreement templates online or purchase one standalone for a fraction of the upgrade cost. Furthermore, the included attorney plan trial automatically renews at $49 per month after 30 days unless you explicitly call or go into your settings to cancel it. If you forget to cancel, that trial quickly turns into an ongoing monthly expense. Then there is the Premium package, which sits at $299 plus state fees. Premium mirrors the Pro package but adds 6 months of bookkeeping software tools and extended attorney support during your first month. For the vast majority of new business owners, this tier represents unnecessary overhead. Most early-stage founders already use dedicated cloud accounting software or simple spreadsheet tracking, making secondary bookkeeping tools redundant. Managing 2 recurring subscription renewals after 30 days and 6 months creates extra administrative headaches you simply do not need when launching. Another hidden trap new entrepreneurs fear is the registered agent service. Every LLC is legally required to appoint a registered agent to receive official legal notices and state correspondence. LegalZoom offers this service, but it carries a recurring cost of around $249 per year, which is significantly higher than many specialized registered agent providers. While you can act as your own registered agent in most states if you have a physical address open during normal business hours, using a dedicated service protects your privacy by keeping your personal home address off public state registers. If you need a registered agent, shopping for a standalone provider often saves you money long-term. So, what is the actionable takeaway for a new entrepreneur deciding on the best LegalZoom package? For 90% of new, single-member LLCs and small startups, the basic package at $0 plus state filing fees is the smartest, most cost-effective choice. It accomplishes the primary goal, legally creating your company with the Secretary of State while keeping your upfront capital intact. Here is your exact action plan to maximize value without overspending. First, choose the basic package and pay only your state's mandatory filing fee. As you move through the checkout funnel, decline optional pre-selected add-ons like expedited processing, custom compliance kits, or seal binders unless you have an urgent hard deadline. Second, once your LLC filing is approved by the state, navigate directly to irs.gov during standard operating hours and apply for your free EIN yourself. It takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes, costs nothing, and gives you your official tax document immediately. Third, secure or draft an operating agreement tailored to your business structure using established legal template resources to satisfy bank account opening requirements. Fourth, decide whether you want to serve as your own registered agent or hire a third-party service, weighing the cost against your personal privacy preferences. By following this approach, you retain control of your startup budget, protect your business legally, and avoid unexpected subscription charges on your credit card statement.